Want to become unstoppable? It all starts with skills. Real skills that make you stronger, smarter, and more confident. Here are 20 skills you can start mastering today. First, build your body. Exercise just 30 minutes a day. A strong body fuels strong confidence, and a weak body holds you back. Second, learn to defend yourself. Boxing, martial arts, or self-defense, knowing you can handle a physical challenge melts fear and boosts confidence instantly. Third, speak with authority. Practice public speaking. Stand tall, make eye contact, and speak clearly. Being able to communicate opens doors everywhere. Fourth, master focus. Spend 1 to 2 hours doing deep, uninterrupted work. Phones off, distractions gone. This separates you from most people who drift through the day. Fifth, sell your ideas. Whether it's a project, a business, or yourself, learning to explain your value clearly is a game changer. Sixth, negotiate smart. Life is full of deals, money, time, opportunities. Every good negotiation puts you in control instead of letting life push you around. Seventh, handle money wisely. Earn, save, and invest. Wealth isn't just what you make, it's what you keep and grow. Eighth, read daily. Even 15 minutes a day expands your mind and gives you new ideas faster than most people realize. Ninth, journaling, blogging, or notes clarify your mind and make your communication sharper. 10th, master your time. Plan your day, schedule your work, learning, and rest. Time is your most valuable asset. Treat it like it. 11th, control emotions. Don't react impulsively. Respond thoughtfully. Emotional control gives you power in relationships and business. 12th, learn fast. The world moves quickly. Those who adapt and pick up new skills thrive. Slow learners get left behind. 13th, surround yourself with the right people. Your network shapes your mindset and opportunities. Choose wisely. 14th, fuel your body. Eat clean, reduce junk. Energy is productivity. Treat your body like a machine, not a storage unit. 15th, stay consistent. Small actions every day compound into massive results. Even on low motivation days, keep going. 16th, solve problems, don't complain. Focus on solutions, not excuses. Problem solving naturally sets you apart. 17th, stay alert. Life is unpredictable. Awareness and mental strength give confidence and safety. 18th, learn a digital skill. Coding, editing, or content creation. These open doors that didn't exist before. 19th, embrace silence. Observe first, speak second. Silence builds respect and allows smarter responses. And 20th, master self-control. Resist temptations. Control your habits, money, and energy. Self-control separates winners from the rest. Start practicing these skills today. Pick one, focus, and improve daily. Growth doesn't wait. Why should you? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips to level up your life.